Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, very good. My dear students, I request everybody to take the literature workbook part 1 and be on page number 16. Page number 16. Are you ready? Arnav, please come and sit in your place. Okay. Words for pictures. Here in this particular exercise, that is 4.1, we have to read the story that is printed out here. We have to read the story and complete the words which are missing there. And for helping you, there are some pictures given next to the blank space. We need to identify the picture given there and write its name in the blank space. Is that clear to you? It is very simple. From the given images, we can understand what is the answer. It is very easy, but I want you all to tell me the answer because I want you to be very confident about the spelling of that correct word. Are you ready to do that? Yes. Okay, let's learn it together. All of you mute your devices. I'm going to give a chance to each one. Okay? Yes. Shiva Madhav, unmute your device and read the first sentence.
One day,
Yes.
a boy,
Spelling, please. As
and
I said, I want you to tell me the spellings.
only D-A-Y, they,
No, not of each word. I want you to tell me the spelling only of the answer. Got it, Shiva?
okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please go ahead. Shiva?
Ma'am, which page on your book? Letter.
Page number 16.
Letter.
Letter. Before that,
Got.
boy. So
Boy.
how do we spell the word boy?
B-O-Y.
B-O-Y. Very good. Got a
Boy. Got a boy.
got a dash. Look at the image next to the blank and try to identify it.
Letter.
Letter. Very good. Spell that word.
L. E.
L-E.
L. E.
T.
E. T. Page number
16.
R.
Let.
A-R.
Let. L-E-T. Another T is already there. After that, we need to write R. R. Which are those letters? L-E-T, T, R. R. Letter. Shiva, I want you to read the spelling now.
Okay.
Yeah, read. I have written it there.
N.
L-E-T-T-E-R. Letter.
Okay, ma'am.
Read it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read. L-E-T-T-E-R.
L-E-T-T-E-R.
Read the word now. Letter. Letter.
Letter.
Letter, yeah, that's good. Can you see one envelope with a sheet inside and something written on the sheet? That is a letter, okay? Letter. Okay. Thank you, Shiva.
Ma'am, which book? Okay, ma'am.
Christy,
Ma'am,
unmute your device. Arnav, mute your device. Christy, read the next sentence. Christy, make it fast. He was. Are you on page number 16 of the workbook, Christy? Are you? I cannot hear you. Can you hear me? Say yes or no. Yes, but I cannot hear you. Please ask your parents to check the device. Okay, Christy? Right now. I'll come back to you after some time. Evelyn, unmute. Read the next sentence. He was
invited
very good.
by the king.
Very good. How do you spell the word king?
King.
Fantastic. That's good. King. This person here wearing a robe and a crown on his head. A robe on his body and a crown on his head is the king. King. Good effort, Evelyn. Thank you.
Thank you.
Arjun Krishna. Yeah, welcome. Arjun Krishna. Continue from who? Arjun Krishna. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, continue.
Who
Huh?
had
Yes.
sent
A.
a
Identify the animal. Identify this animal.
horse.
Horse. Very good. How do you spell the word?
H
Hmm?
O
Hmm?
L
L. Horse. Which letter says
R
R. Yes. S.
S
S. E. Which letter says yes? HORSE. Horse. Who had sent a horse? Who had sent a horse? Okay, good effort, my dear. Thank you. Albrin, continue with the next one.
Ma'am.
Yes, Siddhivinayak.
I
Huh? Yes, say.
am later. Which
You have joined just now?
Which
Yes,
page?
I saw that you were not on your seat. Please take page number 16 of your literature workbook. 16. Mute your device, Siddhi. Albrin,
Ma'am,
continue.
my 16 pages this
Workbook.
workbook.
That is textbook, my dear. Read the name. That's the textbook. Siddhi Binayak, the book that you have with you now is the textbook. Take the workbook.
Arnav book.
Albrin, please continue reading.
Arnav. Or
He sat for him. After that,
on the hall.
he sat on the
Wall.
horse. Spelling.
HORSE.
HORSE. Very good. And
Went up.
went up. A.
A
Identify this.
mountain.
Mountain. A small one. It's a small one. So what is it called? Remember Tiggy? Where did he climb up to meet the old lady?
Hill.
Hill. Very good. So a small mountain is called a hill. How do you spell the word hill, Albrin?
H-I-L.
Hmm. L.
H-I-L.
Hmm. L.
L.
Hmm. One more.
H-I-L-L.
L-L, yes. H-I-L-L. A small mountain is called a hill. H is already there, so we need to write only I, L, and L. Good effort, Alprin. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Anushka. Anushka, unmute. Anushka, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Anushka, please read the next sentence after the image of the hill. They saw. They saw. Anushka, I think Anushka is facing network issues. I'll move ahead to Wilfred. Wilfred, continue. Anushka, switch on the camera.
They saw.
They saw. S is not there. They saw
They saw
mm,
a
a big dash. Do you know what place this is? You can get to hear this word, the name of this place in stories. Can anybody try? Castle. Very good. Castle. Castle. What is the spelling of the word? How do you spell the word castle?
A-S-T-L-E.
Fantastic. Who gave that answer? Anushka. Okay. Very good. Not Anushka. Yes, yes. Okay, very good, very good. Castle is the right answer. I request everybody to mute their devices. Anushka, continue reading from here. The
Roses are red, firefighters, middle one.
who is this? Anushka, identify. The dash. Boy, very good, boy. Spelling?
B-O-Y.
B-O-Y, boy. Very good. Continue reading, Anushka. Went in. The boy. Please read fast. Went in. Went in. And. Yes, read, Anushka. S-A-W.
The boy.
Arjun, mute your device.
A pig.
And saw a big. Yes. Identify this image. Tree. Yes. Spelling.
T-R-E-E.
T-R-E-E. Very good. T-R-E-E. Tree. Filled with. Continue reading from there. F-I-L-L-E-D. Anushka. Filled with.
Cake.
Cake. 1, 2, 3 are there. So what is the word that we should use there?
Cakes.
Very good. Spelling.
C-A-K-E-C.
C-A-K-E-S, my dear. S. C-A-K-E-S. Cakes. Okay, very good effort, Anushka. Good girl. Thank you. So, my dear students, have you been able to understand the story?
Yes.
It is all about a boy, a king, and his horse. So, what happened one day is that a boy got a letter. And what was there in that letter? In that letter, he was invited by the king. He was invited by the king. And what did the king send to the boy along with the letter? The king had sent a horse for the boy. And what did the boy do? He sat on the horse and went up the hill. When he went up the hill, there he saw a very big castle. And in the castle, the boy went inside and he saw a very big tree. And what was the tree filled up with? The tree was filled up with lots and lots of cakes. Yes. Did you like it?
Yes.
Yes. Did you like the story?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, likewise, we also can form or create our own stories by taking help of small letters and turning them into sentences, mixing them with other words, simple sentences. Put them together and we can create our own story. Got it, everybody? Okay, let's move to the next one. 4.2. Here we need to make 5 sentences by joining the given words. One is already done for you. I'll explain to you how the first one is done. The rest you have to try and frame the sentences on your own. Are you ready to do that? Yes, it's very simple. Okay. I want Bennett, come back to your seat here. Bennett, please read the first sentence which is already printed there.
My family is a small one.
Very good. So we have taken the words my family from here. We have connected it to the word is. My family. It's one family, right? So
Yes.
what do we use when we speak about one person or one animal or one thing? Is, right? That we have learned last year, right? My family is a bank. Is it right? Is my family a bank? No.
No.
Is a younger sister? Will that be right? No.
No.
Is all going to school? No.
No.
Bedtime stories? No.
No.
A small one. Yes, it makes some sense, right? My family is a small one. So we have connected the given words, selected the apt ones and connected them together to make a sentence. Okay. Good effort, Bennett. Thank you. Bhagyashree, unmute and try the second one. Bhagyashree, unmute first. Yeah. Our mother
Our mother tells
tells. See, it's our mother. O-U-R. That means there are 2 or more children, right? Our mother, not my mother. Our mother. Our. The word our itself tells us that there are 2 or 3. So which
Our.
word will you take from here? In the middle. Sorry?
some stories.
In or us or is or are or have. Our mother tells. Which word will you take from the middle column, Bhagyashree? Did you say us?
Yes.
Yes, very good. After that, our mother tells us
A bedtime story.
bedtime stories. Yes, very good. So let's write it here. Our mother, M-O-T-H, mother tells, T-E-L-L-S, tells us, U-S, us, B-E-D-T-I, oh, sorry, bed, T-I-M-E, bedtime stories, S-T-O-R-I-E-S. And what do we put at the end of the sentence? What do we put? Full stop. Full stop. Okay, very good, Bhagyashree. Thank you. Tirtha, try the third one. Tirtha?
Our father was
Yes.
in
Our
bank.
father
Our father worked in bank.
works in. Very good. Our father works in
Bank.
a bank.
A bank.
A bank, yes. Our father works in a bank. Fantastic, Tirtha. Thank you. So please write the next sentence. You can do it right away. Our father works. I-N in a B-A-N-K, bank. Our father works in a bank. W-O. Works in a bank. Okay. Thank you, my dear. Mitra, try the fourth one.
I
Mm,
have
very good. I have. What?
a younger sister.
Fantastic. I have a younger sister. Very good. Good effort, Mitra. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. I'll change the pen. Likewise, we need to choose the apt words which can be connected to a particular phrase. I have a younger. You need to check which all options will go with the option that is given to us. I have a younger sister. Well done, my dear students. Very good performance. Adit Krishna. Unmute and try the last one. We
have a small one.
We have a small one. No, does it make any sense? Did you understand the meaning of that particular sentence? It should be able to convey something to us. It should be meaningful. And have is already taken. What is the option remaining there, Adit? Which option is remaining there? In the middle column. Which option is remaining there? In the first column, we is there, remaining. In the middle column, which one is not taken yet? A-R-E, R. Yes, Adit? Is it taken? Have we used the word R?
Yes.
Yes or no? Have we used it, R?
Yes.
Where did we use R? Tell me. In the first sentence, it's a, is. In the second, it is us. Third, it is in. Fourth one, it is have. So which is the one that is not taken? It's are. Yes, Adit? Did you understand? Are. Are is not taken yet. So we are. Try the next one, Adit.
We are a small one.
No. What is the meaning of we are a small one? Does it convey any meaning? We are. Okay, this part I agree with you. We are. Now what is remaining in the last column? Which one have we not taken? A small one is already used, right? My family is a small one. There is one which is remaining. So we have to try and match it and see whether the sentence is able to tell us something or not. We are.
We are.
See the last column, Adit. Which one is remaining? A bank we have taken. A younger sister we have taken. All going to school. Have we taken that?
No.
No. That means we have to take. But before taking it, we must make sure that the sentence makes some sense or gives us some meaning. Then only we can call it a complete sentence, right? If it has nothing to give us or nothing to inform us about, that cannot be called a sentence. Every sentence must be able to tell us something about any particular aspect. We are all going to school. Does it tell us anything? We are all going to school. Yes, that is a very simple sentence which tells us that all of us are going to school. Did you understand, Adit? Whenever we make sentences, we have to see that the sentence is able to tell us something. It should have some meaning. Then only we can call it a sentence. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We are all going, G-O-I-N-G, going to, T-O-2, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. We are all going to school. We are all going to school. Adit, is it clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sure? Sure? Are you sure? Say yes or no? Okay, okay. Good effort. Thank you. Thank you, Adit. Yeah, my dear students, have you been able to complete the work? Yes? Okay, fine. So let's do a quick, have you completed the written part?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't see the board clearly.
Who's that? Don't worry, I'll be sending these notes to you in the group. At that time, if you have not been able to note down something, you can complete that work. Is it okay, my dear? I'll be sending these notes. As I always do, I will do it today also.
On the screen.
You're not able to see the screen. Maybe you're facing network issues.
Finish. Not that I can see, but the screen is very, very dark.
Oh, it's very, very dark? Okay, fine. Don't worry, I'll send the notes to you. Okay, let's do a quick revision of what we have done till now. Okay? Muhammad Ali, tell me the answers. 2.1, just tell me. What is this, the first one? Page number 2. Page number 2. You can look at the screen and tell me. No need to take the page of the book. It's here on the screen. What is this?
Ma'am.
I have underlined it. What is it? We get to see this in a park. What is the name? Seesaw. Yes. Seesaw. Very good. Muhammad Ali, tell me what is the next one?
Spoon Selwyn. Seesaw. S-E-E-S-A-W.
W. S-E-E-S-A-W. Very good. Muhammad Ali, tell me the next one. What is this? We sit on it and move back and forth. I think Muhammad Ali is not able to see. Yes, Arjun?
Swing.
Swing, very good. Okay. Very good, very good. The third one, what is the third one?
Slide.
Slide, very good. What is the fourth one?
Grass.
Grass, yes. The fifth one?
Flower.
Flowers, not flower. Flowers. Say flowers. Flowers. And the last one, Joseph, the last one?
Bench.
Bench. Spelling? B-E-N-C-H. Okay, very good, Joseph. Okay, thank you. Others, mute your devices. Krishna, let's move to exercise 2.2, page number 3. Tell me the answer of the second one. Second word. Draw. Spelling.
ERAW.
Very good. Very good. Madhav, try the third one. Madhav, the third one.
Pencil.
Spelling. Spelling. Spelling.
PENCIL. Pencil.
Pencil. Pencil. Very good. Parvati, try the fourth one. Try the third one. Sorry, the fourth one. Fourth one. Fourth one. No, fourth one, my dear.
Crayon.
No, fourth one.
Color.
Color. Very good. Very good. Ritika, fifth one.
Crayon.
Are you Ritika? No. Only Ritika will answer. Yes, Ritika? Try the fifth one.
Crayon.
Crayon. Very good. Spelling.
CRAYON.
YON. Okay, very good. Siddhi Vinayak, try the sixth one. Siddhi Vinayak, try the sixth one first. Spelling. PAINT. 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 Okay, very good. Dhyan, unmute. Dhyan, tell me the second sentence. Page number 7. Page number 7. Exercise 4. Dhyan, I cannot hear you.
Page number 7 already done, ma'am.
Yeah, I know. Okay, it is time for me to wind up the session. Let me stop sharing here. We will revise the other parts later. Have you been able to understand what we have done today? The story and that exercise? Simple, right? Okay,
Yes.
good. I'll be sending the daily test link in the group. Please attempt it at that time. Okay? Yes? Okay. Thank you very much. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.